Hey, guess what? I just finished working on a pretty intriguing project, and I think you'd love to hear about it. I had the chance to get hands-on experience deploying serverless APIs using Azure Functions, Logic Apps, and Azure SQL database. This setup really pushed the boundaries of what I thought was possible for serverless tech. It blew my mind how all these tools, when used in tandem, can create an amazing scalable and efficient architecture. At first, I was a little skeptical, but working through the real-world architecture design, configuration steps, and best practices for deploying serverless APIs got me right on track. The more Azure functions I learned to utilize, the more I appreciated their role in serverless programming. From simple tasks like processing HTTP requests to complex ones like data transformations, Azure Functions could do it all without ever spinning up a server. It's just pure, lean, and mean serverless code right there before your eyes on the cloud. So, how did we get to Logic Apps? After setting up and testing the Azure Functions, we needed the extra oomph to automate tasks and workflows across multiple services. Like integrating data from various sources, manipulating data, and even sending emails. I found Logic Apps to be the perfect companion for Azure Functions. Together, they can cover nearly any required functionality. This integration is pretty slick. Now, let's discuss Azure SQL database, the glue holding everything together. It's a fully managed relational database as a service, and it became the core data repository for our serverless API. It's seamless to work with Azure Logic Apps and Azure Functions. They just work together smoothly. Also, SQL database provides the best-in-class performance and cost-effectiveness, which are always a big plus when scaling. The implementation process was quite a ride, with all its ups and downs. My biggest learning? Troubleshooting was always about understanding the bigger picture.